Dear ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about the incredible benefit of exercise on both our physical and psychological well-being. When we talk about physical fitness, we often refer to five key components, which is cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. These elements work together to support our overall health and vitality. But exercise is not just about physical health. It also has a profound impact on our psychological well-being. Regular physical activity can significantly improve our mental health in several ways. Firstly, exercise is a powerful stress buster. It helps reduce stress levels by releasing endorphin, those feel good hormones that lift our mood and ease anxiety. Secondly, engaging in physical activities boosts our mood. It can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety by stimulating the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which plays a crucial role in regulating our emotions. Moreover, exercise enhances cognitive function. It improves memory, focus, and overall brain health by increasing blood flow to the brain and promoting the growth of new brain cells. Furthermore, regular exercise boosts self-esteem and self-confidence. Achieving fitness goals, feeling stronger, and improving our physical appearance all contribute to a positive self-image. Lastly, exercise can improve our sleep quality. It helps us relax, reduce insomnia, and regulate our sleep patterns, leading to better overall sleep. So, let's remember that incorporating a mix of aerobic and anaerobic exercise into our routine can not only enhance our physical fitness but also bring about this incredible psychological health benefits. Let's prioritize our well-being and make exercise a part of our daily life for a healthier and happier future. Thank you.